Well, hello, folks. It's Mike here. I just want to welcome you back to Mr. Cast Iron. And today I've got something special for you. It's not something that I typically do and something that you normally find me doing on my channel, because generally I'm making keto style recipes and dishes and cooking things in cast iron and on grills and stuff like that. But this tool is so exciting to me that I wanted to share it with you guys. If you're looking to make a YouTube channel, or you already have a YouTube channel and you want to learn to grow on YouTube, and you want to be able to rank your videos and be found in YouTube search, this tool is called Morningfame. And so this is going to be a Morningfame review. I feel like 2020 is a year to get your videos ranking on YouTube, and I want to definitely get my videos ranking higher on YouTube so more people see what we're doing. In this Morningfame review and tutorial, we're going to show you a few tricks on how to use the Morningfame keyword research tool. So let's get on over there and take a look at that. Are you ready? Here we go. All right, when you get into Morningfame and you log into that, and I've got a link down here in the description box that will allow you to get 1 month free. So you can test drive this tool and see if it's for you. And I'm going to tell you, I am thoroughly impressed with what Mr. Nico has done here with this tool. Morningfame has helped me in so many ways, and I know it has many other creators, so I wanted to share that with you. But anyway, when you first get into the home screen like this, it'll have your YouTube channel name here, and it has some other information here about your subscribers and per view video and different things like that, likes per video and comments per video and things like that. But it also has several other tabs here for, like, you can go to number 1 as a topic. You can search for a topic. You can search for a keyword, or you can just go straight to search. And then once you get a keyword that you like, you can optimize that. And we'll get into that here shortly. As you scroll down and look at this screen, this first screen here, it'll say, do you have a topic, a video topic in mind? And let's just put one in here. Let's say cast iron. If I can type here, hold on just a minute. All right, so here we have a topic in mind, and so it pulls up the keywords that are related in a lot of channels, especially for like larger channels. This is some of the keywords that a lot of larger channels use to rank their videos. And so, a lot of these, especially if they have red here, is something that you're not able to most likely rank for. And so you want to find other keywords that will help you rank on YouTube. And here he also has smaller channel keywords to where it will help you rank. So let's just take a look at a couple of these. Now, the rating system on this is A through F. And an A rating is good. You can see that it's green here. And F would be bad. So anyway, we want to be basically anywhere between A and D. If you find a D, a C, a B, or an A, then it's something most likely you can rank for. So when you want to search for a keyword that you want to try to rank for, let's click on this, how to season a cast iron skillet. And so it'll pop up with a screen like this, and you just hit the quick look up, and it'll determine whether or not you're able to rank for this particular one. I've got 3 F's in the red, so that means that I can't rank for that. But let me show you what that means. If we go here, we go to step 3, and it'll take us over here, and it'll show us the different ratings for subscribers, for viewers, for likes and comments, and also for relevance. Okay, now it's a relevant term for my YouTube channel because I do cast iron cooking. And so how to season a cast iron skillet is certainly a relevant term that I could rank for, but I just can't rank for this particular phrase right here. I've got to find something to go with that to be able to rank for. So anyway, it shows it here that these are all F, so it's not good. If you look here as how he's got this labeled, it says the grades A through F rate the ranking opportunity your channel has if you create a video that targets the given search term. Aim to find a search term for which you get at least a D for all 4 metrics. Additionally, small channels should aim for at least a B for relevance. A question mark for views means that the traffic volume may be too low to be attractive for your channel. Okay, so here we don't have a B, we have 1A for relevance, and we have F's for this. So we know we can't rank for this, but even if we wanted to try, if you click on the very next step, then it pops up with a screen like this and gives you an F and says, whoa, wait a minute, fellas, your competition is way too high to rank for this particular keyword here. So we got to cancel and get out of that, back out of that, and we'll go back here and see if we can find something to go with how to season a cast iron skillet. Now, one little additional tool here they have is a suggestions plus. And this is so helpful because instead of racking your brain trying to figure out how to find something that's going to rank on YouTube, or just picking a phrase like this just in general and just putting a video out there and like throwing it up against a wall hoping somebody's going to watch it. That's not necessarily going to happen unless you have a lot of subscribers, a lot of people following you, and in which I don't yet. But if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, then I ask that you do that. And so that's what we're looking at doing, is trying to reach more people. So how we do this is through keywords. So let's see if we can add to this keyword here to make it something that we can rank for. Okay, so when you click on that plus sign, it brings up other long tail search terms that you would be able to rank for. So not only do we have how to season cast iron skillet as our main phrase, then it says how to season cast iron skillet in an oven, how to season a cast iron skillet on the stove top, how to season cast iron skillet for the first time. Let's click on that and just see what that does. All right, it comes up all F's also. So we're going to go back to the suggestions here and see how to season cast iron skillet without an oven. All right, let's click on that and we get F's. Okay, we'll go back and how to season a cast iron skillet after use. All right, I'm getting all F's on that. Okay. Now, one other thing I want to show you, you could go through all of those related keywords there to try to find where you're able to rank, and that's how you do that. But there's another little trick that you can do. When you put in a keyword search phrase like this, how to season a cast iron skillet, what this does, it pulls up the top 20 videos that are ranking for this particular keyword. And another little trick that you can use is the use tag button. You can click on the use tag and it'll show you, based on the top 20 videos ranking for this keyword here, how to season cast iron skillet, it shows you the keywords that they're using to rank their videos. So you can go through each one of these and see. Of course, you can see most of them for me is going to be F because I'm a small channel. So you have to really work at trying to narrow it down to a phrase that you're able to rank for. And so you can go through these particular keywords here and find something that somebody has on here that you might could rank for. Okay, so I don't really see anything here, but I'm going to get out of this and show you some other things here that's interesting. Not only about that, but the research tool, but I want to show you some things about your channel that I really like about this Morningfame tool. Is when you click on the traction to see whether your channel is gaining traction as you're adding videos to your channel, and you see they keep up with it and give you an idea of, you know, the performance of your videos and your channel. And so you can click on the traction button and it'll show you, it'll say, is your channel trending upwards? Compare your latest 10 videos to the 10 oldest videos on your channel. And so it'll have your channel name here and it'll ask you, or it'll tell you if you're trending upwards. And I've got a check mark here. It says, no, I'm not right now. I'm not trending upwards. Let's click on this information button and it'll say why. So there's certain things that it's telling me that I need to do, and even to how to decide my strategy to make these things happen. So it's so helpful to help you grow your channel. And one other thing it does too that I really like is on the workshop or the velocity, these 5 tabs here all have certain things to help you adjust your channel, adjust your keyword research, adjust the type of adjust the type of videos that you need to be making. And so I want to go in here and look at velocity for just a minute. And it tells me some of the things that I need to be doing: making appealing thumbnails, publishing at the right time, and good subscriber experience. Workshop is another key here that kind of tells you where you're at and how you're doing in comparison to other channels like yours. Right now, I'm in between below average and average on my channel views in the last 7 days, so I need to do better to increase that by making more videos. Same way with views from subscribers. Now my views from visitors are from videos that I've already made, so it's doing pretty well and on the up there. So I've got growth opportunities here that I can use, and it suggests what I need to do. It says here, consider growing your views from subscribers. And it also says to create more of these to grow your views from subscribers. So here it's got 4 of my top videos that have been getting a lot of views, like fried cabbage and sausage with bacon. And it shows here that I've had 909 views in the past 2 months. It's given me 11 views from my subscribers, and then it gives you a rating here. I've got A for views, B for views from subscribers. I get a C for view duration, which is how long someone watches that video. I get an A for likes and comments, and an A for subscribers, because this particular video has brought me many subscribers to my channel. And so same way with some of these others here. So this is exactly what it's saying for me to do. I need to build and create more videos like these here. And so it even gives you a research your next video button here to click on. And what this is, when you click on that, it's going to open up and it's going to show you these top videos that have been helping you in your channel. So we have fried cabbage and sausage. I could make another one similar to that. Here is also my personal testimony about how to get rid of belly fat fast after 50, how I did it. This is my personal testimony of how I've lost 45 pounds in the last 5 months. And so this particular video has done real well also, because it is me, and it's my personal testimony. And so I've gotten really good views. I've got view duration is really good. People watch this complete video, and so on and so forth. So if I wanted to make another video similar to this, then what it suggests I do is just click on this for step number 2, and it's going to pull up keywords that I've used for that particular video. Okay, and it also once again brings up the keywords for larger channels. So we've got all of these that we can choose from, and all of these over here for smaller channels. So you can go through that process to find something to be able to rank a new video for. So that's really been a helpful thing for me. It's one way for you to grow your channel. It's one way to help you rank higher on YouTube, and to be able to rank not only on YouTube but also on Google. Matter of fact, let me go back to that for just a second. I want to show you these keywords. Let me show you something here, this hamburger stack here. It has an option here, right here, to turn this as a toggle button to toggle for Google search support. Not only do you want to try to search and be able to rank on YouTube, but you want to be able to be found in Google search also. So you click on this button here, and here's what happens, folks. When you have a search term, it's going to come up. There's going to be either one check mark, which is for YouTube search, or there'll be 2 check marks, and that stands for one for YouTube and one for Google. So it's a term that's being searched on both platforms. Like here you see here, men over 50 lose belly fat. There's only one check mark here. So this is basically being searched on YouTube, but it's not being searched on YouTube and Google. So you want to try to find one that you're, like this one here, that lose visceral fat quickly. It has 2 check marks. And so what that stands for is that you're able to search not only on YouTube for this keyword, but you're able to search for this keyword and find it in Google as well. And so we can look this up and see if it's something that we can rate for. Let me just go through that and see. I've got F, I've got red, everything here. I need yellows or greens to pursue that particular keyword. So that's not something that we're looking at doing. But anyway, I just wanted to show those things to you and let you know this is a powerful tool, folks. If you're looking to create a YouTube channel or you're looking to grow your YouTube channel, I don't care if you're a large channel like Brian G. Johnson TV or Nick Nimmin or some of these bigger guys that's on YouTube. Or if you're a smaller guy like myself that just has a little cooking video channel or a cast iron skillet, or whether you whatever the type channel you have, it doesn't matter what kind of channel you have, you can take and use this tool to find the proper keywords to help you rank your videos high on YouTube and high on Google search. So folks, listen, hey, it's Mike over here at Mr. Cast Iron. We just wanted to share this with you and how exciting it is, how powerful this tool is, and it's something that you ought to look into. And like I said, I've got a free invite down there. I've got an invite code where you can put that invite code in and you get 1 month free test drive to check it out and see if it's something that will work for you and your channel. Well, hey, we appreciate you guys. It's Mike over here at Mr. Cast Iron. We'll be coming back to you again with some more powerful information. Y'all have a great day, and we'll see you later.